Hi, my name is Papalo and this is the Papalo Cooking Show. This is brought to you by SPAM. S-P-A-M. Si Papalo ang magluto. SPAM. This is also brought to you by Highlands Corn Beef. Corn Beef. Okay, ang 2024 hapit na mahuman, ang inyong sulot na beef lawlaw na. Corn Beef. And I have two eggs, the left and the right. Okay. And I also have grapes and banana and carrots. Carrot. Okay.
That's good. Good job. I am the sponsor. Sponsored here on the Papalo Cooking Show, we have Spam. Instead of Mamala Cooking Show being sponsored here, we have Spam.
Okay. What else do I have? I have something which I do not know. I have something red. I also do not know.
This is too funny.
Is this the banana ketchup? Yeah. Alright, baby. Apple ko'y luwag. Apple ko'y kutsilyo. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Okay?
Okay na?
Okay. Today we're gonna cook 2 eggs with carrots and sayote. I don't know what kind of recipe, but I will cook it anyway. Okay?
Oh, na, stop na.
Stop na.
No.